Hi everyone, I'm excited to show you Rovo Sprint Strategist, an AI-powered sprint management tool inspired by Formula One race strategy. Just like F1 teams have race strategists who monitor everything in real time and make split-second decisions to win races, our tool does the same for your sprints. Let me show you how it works. First, I'll start our backend server. Let's start our Express.js backend server that handles all the AI intelligence and connects to our database. Great, our backend is running. Now let's start our React frontend with the beautiful F1-inspired interface. Let me quickly verify that everything is connected properly. Wow, look at this beautiful F1-inspired interface. This is our mission control center, the dashboard. Let me walk you through what we're seeing here. At the top, we have our key metrics: sprint health, 78 out of 100, that's pretty good. Velocity, 34 points completed out of 52 committed. Completion, 65% done, and we're on day 5 of 10. Blockers. We have one blocked task that needs attention. This circular gauge shows our sprint health in real time. Green means we're on track, yellow means caution, red means critical. Down here we have our velocity chart showing our progress over time, and this beautiful 3D visualization adds that Formula One racing feel. Notice how everything updates in real time, just like a race engineer monitoring telemetry data during a Grand Prix. But wait, let me show you what happens when a sprint is in trouble. Let me simulate a problematic scenario. Oh no, look at this, our sprint health has dropped to 45%. That's critical territory. We have 3 blocked tasks holding us back, some team members are overloaded while others are underutilized, and we're falling behind our planned progress. In traditional sprint management, you'd only discover these issues during the retrospective, when it's too late to fix them. But with Sprint Strategist, we can take action right now. Perfect. Here's our pit stop page, our AI-powered Sprint Intervention Center. Let me walk you through what we're seeing. At the top, we have our sprint status overview, sprint health, 50% that's in the needs attention zone, yellow, blockers, 1 task needs immediate action. Days left, only 3 days remaining out of 10. Completion, 32% we're behind schedule. Now here's something interesting. Our AI is showing no pit stop needed, with a green checkmark. This means that despite being at 50% health, the AI has determined the sprint is still manageable. But look at the right side. We can see the actual issues. In the Blocked Issues section, Project 110. Apple Pay integration, 5 points. It's been waiting for Apple developer account approval. And in Critical Priority, Project 106. Payment Processing API, in progress. This is assigned to Sarah Johnson. Even though the AI says no pit stop is needed, we can still see the areas that need attention. This shows how the AI considers multiple factors before recommending interventions. Perfect. Here's our team management dashboard. This is where the magic of workload balancing happens. Let me walk you through what we're seeing. At the top, our team summary, 8 team members in Sprint 42. Average load, 38%, that's actually quite healthy. Overloaded, 0 members, excellent balance. Total points, 62 story points assigned. This capacity overview bar shows our team utilization. Blue section, assigned 52 points out of 160 total capacity. Green indicator, healthy load, 50 to 80%, no red zones, meaning no one is overloaded. Now let's look at individual team members. Sarah Johnson, tech lead, 72% load with a green bar, healthy workload. 8 points assigned across 3 tasks. Lisa Anderson, developer, 82% load, getting close to capacity but still in green zone. 13 points with 3 tasks. David Brown, developer, 50% load, has room for additional work. 10 points across 2 tasks. John Smith, developer, 40% load, also has capacity for more work. Emma Wilson, QA lead, 40% load, balanced workload. Mike Chen, developer, 35% load, lightest workload, could take on more. This visual representation makes it instantly clear who has capacity for additional work: David, John, Emma, Mike, who is working at optimal levels, Sarah, Lisa. No one is overloaded, which is perfect for team morale and quality. I can click on any team member to see their detailed profile. Let's check our analytics for deeper insights. Navigate to Analytics. Here we see our performance trends. Velocity chart showing improvement over 5 sprints. Issue distribution. 5 done, 4 in progress, 1 blocked. Team performance breakdown. Health trend over time. This data helps us make better decisions for future sprints. Now our F1-inspired gamification system. Navigate to Leaderboard, team rankings with achievement badges. Sarah leads with pole position badge. Lisa has fast finisher achievement. Friendly competition that motivates the team. And here's one of my favorite features, our AI chat assistant. I can ask natural language questions about our sprint. Perfect. Here's our AI assistant, Rovo, your intelligent sprint strategist. Look at this welcome message. Hello. I'm Rovo, your intelligent sprint strategist. I've been monitoring your Jira project and identified several areas where we can optimize performance and mitigate risks. The AI offers helpful suggestions, current sprint performance analysis. Identify biggest project risks. Improve team velocity. Sprint success prediction. Let me ask a specific question about our sprint. Now let's see how a new user sets up the system. First step, connect your Jira instance in Project Setup. Enter your Jira URL, username, and API token. Select your project and sync real data, no mock scenarios. I see 5 recommendations. Let me check what AI suggests. Now I'll ask the AI about our sprint status. Let me configure alerts for sprint health monitoring. Finally, I'll customize my dashboard preferences. Complete sprint management workflow, from setup to daily monitoring.